Why do we go to outer space? What's out there? And is it even worth it? So this video is different from anything we have done before, and honestly, I'm a little nervous, but it's a story that needs to be told. For most of human history, we didn't even know what our planet looked like. And now today, we are out there exploring the farthest edges of the universe. But here's the thing that blows my mind most about space exploration. India. Yeah, a country that for many of its people is still a story of everyday struggle, and yet Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, is contributing to the most extraordinary discoveries far beyond the realities we live in every day. It's a pretty huge deal because this isn't just about progress, it's about reimagining what's possible for all of humanity, and this is the journey we want to take you on today. You will see it all, the people, their dreams, their spirit, the mind-boggling science behind it all, and how a developing nation defied all the odds to reach for the stars and change the lives of millions. Our story begins all the way back in 1940 at Cambridge University, and there's someone here you need to meet. He comes from a family of intellectuals, and his whole worldview has been defined by a deep curiosity and this unshakable belief in the power of science. His teachers call him brilliant, his colleagues, they see boundless energy, but nobody, and I mean nobody, could have guessed that this guy would become the father of Indian space exploration. What's his name? Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. In 1940s, Sarabhai comes back to India for what he thinks is just a quick visit home at Ahmedabad. He's literally itching to get back to Cambridge to continue his PhD in physics. But then the war happens. This means that Sarabhai cannot go back to Cambridge. He is devastated, and all his plans and everything he was working towards suddenly has to be put on hold. What now? Well, thankfully, his family is well connected and he gets to continue his studies at the Indian Institute of Science under the mentorship of Nobel laureate C.V. Raman. During his tenure under Raman, he once goes on a daring scientific expedition to Himalayan ranges in Kashmir. He has 40 pack ponies and 50 porters carrying a lot of delicate scientific equipments. But something weird starts happening. The Geiger counter starts going nuts, registering higher and higher levels of radiation. Sarabhai is confused. What's going on? After investigation, he figures it out. 2 words: cosmic rays. What even is that, and how is it connected to our story? Cosmic rays are high energy particles that come from outer space. They originate from sun or exploding stars and are constantly hitting Earth at all times. In fact, millions of them are passing through your body this very moment. Scientists worldwide has been obsessing over these rays for years, but here's where it gets interesting for our story. So among all the scientists who are studying this, there is another Indian scientist whose story is deeply linked with Sarabhai and the lives of millions of Indians they would go on to change. In fact, he's also studying under C.V. Raman at the same time. It's Dr. Homi Bhabha, the father of India's nuclear program. Bhabha and Sarabhai instantly bonded over their shared interest in the study of science and space. As 2 scientists coming from a scientifically ignorant country, the possibilities to them seemed endless.